Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check the earnings of any YouTube channel. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So we are on YouTube and I will search for Mr. Beast, who is the most famous YouTuber right now, and we'll wait for it to load, and here we'll go to his channel, and all you have to do is you need to copy this handle. So I will first pause this video over here, and you need to copy this handle, as you can see, and then you will need to go to a website called as socialblade.com, and here under the username you just have to paste Mr. Beast and click on search. Now Social Blade will load all the statistics of that channel. So as you can see, it's fourth social rank, and it's second in the subscriber rank. First one is T series, and first in US, first in entertainment. And as you can see, Mr. Beast is earning anywhere between 640,000 US dollars to 10 million US dollars a month. In a year, he's making close to 100 million US dollars. And if we scroll more down, as you can see his daily views, his daily subscriber increase. So this is the biggest channel, and this guy is earning a lot of money. So this is how you can check for any channel. You just have to copy the handle and paste it in Social Blade and click on search. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.